found another headline, another market fall, another reason to panic. My $1 million dream is gone again. I just can't deal with this anymore. I've read everything. I've watched every analyst, and I still can't figure out what I'm doing wrong.
Honestly, I used to feel the same way. Then I realized I wasn't losing to the markets. I let my fear take over me.
What do you mean?
So last year, with every market fall, I sold. And as it recovered, I bought back at a higher price. I knew what I shouldn't do, but I just couldn't stop doing it. But this year has been different. I've become more comfortable with handling the movements in the market.
Every day when I wake up to such scary news, and it makes me want to completely exit my portfolio. Now, what should I do? And how did you get over this?
So I realized that I understood the market, but I needed someone to keep me disciplined and focused in my investment journey. Today, getting a professional opinion costs you nothing, whereas staying on the wrong path can cost you your entire savings.
Oh, professional opinion? Where did you get that?
So I had attended this webinar by ithought and understood how they work. For an ambitious investor like you, a roadmap to $1 million webinar is the right place to start. Why don't you guys also register? I'll attach a link in the bio.